Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If today not the first day where you're see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you, welcome. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, today video I'm going to show now how I take prepare this yummy and delicious chicken stew. Okay, very yummy. Okay, so sit back, relax and watch the video. Okay, so guys, for our protein we will use chicken. This is now my chicken. I don't wash and clean them already. Then I can put my seasoning, onions, ginger paste, salt, curry powder, thyme. Yes, I just put all my seasoning. So guys, if you use any seasoning of your choice, okay, if you use any seasoning or protein of your choice, okay. So guys, I beg make una not forget to like this video, make una share, make una comment, okay. So guys, after I just turn am, then I can cover and make it simmer for some time. Then this na my fresh pepper, onions, and that na red bell pepper. So this na tomatoes, okay. I go dey add this tomato join am. This na canned tomatoes, okay. And then I dey use 2 of this one, then blend that. Okay, so I can come back again to my meat. The meat don already dey, e don steam already, e don steam already. So now I can put water. I can put water to cover the meat, to cook the meat, enough water to cook the meat. Then later I can stir am, I can cover am, make it cook. Okay, so this now the tomatoes, I don blend them already. I don't blend them. So this is it. So guys, our meat done ready, our chicken is ready and ready to be fried. Okay, so I go deep fry them. So my people, our tomatoes don't fry. As you guys can see, if you don't see oil don't dey float on top, you know say yes, your tomatoes is wet fried. So I can put my fried chicken. So after I don't put the chicken, then I can put the meat stock. I can stir everything together, guys. At this point my heart dey scent everywhere, dey scent, guys. This stew tastes so good, it tastes so yummy, guys. I can put the meat stock, then I can taste for salt. Everything was okay. You don't need any seasoning, you don't need any, because I seasoned the meat very well. Like I seasoned the meat very well, so it just did perfectly okay. Then I can cover and make it simmer for like 5 minutes, okay. And our stew is ready. Guys, our stew is ready. This is yummy and delicious, guys. Please come with your plate of rice, okay? Come with your plate of rice. This is the stew. Check out this stew, guys. Check out this stew. This stew tastes so good. It tastes so yummy, guys. It tastes so yummy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make una not forget to like, comment and share. Abeg, make una dey share my video, okay? Make una dey share my video, please. Abeg, I take go beg una, make una dey share my video. Make una like, oh, make una not forget. So if you never subscribe, don't forget. If you don't watch me up to this time, abeg, make you subscribe. I'll see you now again for my next one. Bye bye.